Hey, to turn on and set up Do Not Disturb mode on the Realme 12 5G, you have to open the settings. Now you'll have to navigate into the sounds and vibration, and from here, you can turn on the Do Not Disturb mode by clicking on the switcher, but previously I can recommend you to customize this. So you can turn it on also as a schedule, for example from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. Also, you can add the multiple schedules by clicking here. You can set your own rule. Next, you can also make some exceptions, so you will still allow someone to call you even when the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And as default, it's actually set for the favorites, but if you want to avoid calls during the Do Not Disturb mode, select no one. And here we can still receive some notifications during the Do Not Disturb mode. So if you want to still receive, for example, messages, you have to enable it by clicking on the switcher. When we go back from this one, we can also enable this function to ring for repeated calls. So if someone actually calls you from the same number within 3 minutes, this call will be not silenced. And also we can enable this function to silence media when the Do Not Disturb mode is turned on. So for example, if you decide to open like Instagram or Facebook application and open some videos, they will be actually silenced and you will don't hear any sound. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.